What if your heart suddenly stopped working and no one was around to help? No doctors, no ambulances, no family members. You're alone in your living room, and a sharp pain hits your chest. You try to stand, but your knees buckle. You reach for your phone, but your hands tremble too much to dial. It's the nightmare nobody talks about, having a heart attack when you're all alone. But what if I told you that you could survive it? What if, with just a few simple steps, you could buy yourself enough time to save your own life before the paramedics arrive? This isn't just a health video. It's a potential lifeline for you or someone you love, especially if you're over 50, live alone, or have a history of heart problems. This information could be the difference between life and death. Today, we're uncovering 7 life-saving steps based on real medical advice, survivor stories, and cardiac emergency protocols used in the US, UK, Germany, France, and Australia. Watch till the end and share this, because when a heart attack hits, every second matters. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide. In the United States, over 805,000 heart attacks occur each year. In Europe, nearly 4 million deaths a year are linked to cardiovascular disease. In Australia, 118 people die every day from heart-related issues. And here's the terrifying part. Many of them were completely alone, retired, living independently, no family nearby. That's why learning how to survive a heart attack alone isn't just important, it's essential. It's not just about knowing what a heart attack feels like. It's about knowing what to do in the next 60 seconds. Those first minutes determine everything. They can mean the difference between making it to the hospital and never getting there at all. Heart attacks don't always look like the movies. You won't always clutch your chest and fall over. Sometimes the signs are silent and deadly. Here are the key symptoms that should set off alarm bells, especially if you live alone. 1. Sudden chest discomfort. A squeezing, burning, or heavy pressure in the chest. It might feel like someone is sitting on your chest. 2. Discomfort in other areas. Pain that spreads to the left arm, jaw, back, or stomach. In women, it might feel like indigestion or nausea. 3. Shortness of breath. You feel like you can't catch your breath, even when you're sitting still. 4. Cold sweat or lightheadedness. Sweating when you're not doing anything or feeling like you might pass out. 5. Unexplained fatigue. Suddenly feeling drained for no reason. This is especially common in older adults and women. These symptoms may come on gradually or hit you like a truck. But once they start, the clock is ticking. Do not wait. Do not lie down. And whatever you do not try to tough it out. If you feel these signs, even if you're unsure, let's break down the 7 doctor-backed survival steps you need to take immediately when you suspect a heart attack and you're alone. In the US, dial 911. In Europe, it's usually 112. In Australia, call 000. Put the call on speakerphone so you can follow their instructions while you act. Even if you're unsure, the operator can guide you in real time. Chew 325 milligrams aspirin if available. Chewing gets it into your bloodstream faster and can help dissolve clots. Do not use ibuprofen or Tylenol. They do nothing for heart attacks. Only aspirin has the thinning effect that matters in this moment. Lying down increases the pressure on your heart. Sit in a stable chair or on the floor with your back supported and knees bent. This improves blood flow and prevents you from falling if you faint. Unlock your front door. If you can walk safely, unlock your door. Emergency crews often lose valuable time breaking in. Leave the door wide open and return to a safe sitting position. Control your breathing. Fear will raise your heart rate and make things worse. Try this simple technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat slowly. This calms the nervous system and helps maintain oxygen flow. Do not attempt cough CPR without guidance. You might have heard of cough CPR But don't do it alone. It's risky and only applies in rare monitored heart arrhythmia situations. Follow the emergency dispatcher's advice instead. Mentally stay awake. Talk to yourself out loud. Studies show people who speak out loud to themselves during trauma often stay conscious longer. Say things like, "I'm strong. Help is coming. Breathe. I can survive this." Keep your brain awake. Your life depends on it. You might be wondering, do these tips really work? The answer is yes, and here's why. A study by the American Heart Association found that immediate aspirin use reduces death rates by 23% in early-stage heart attacks. Research from St. Vincent's Hospital in Sydney showed that patients who called for help in the first 5 minutes had a 3x higher survival rate. And cardiologists in France and Germany emphasize the role of upright posture and controlled breathing in maintaining consciousness longer. The most important takeaway: survival isn't luck, it's knowledge, preparation, and action. A 72-year-old retired truck driver in Ohio. One evening, he was watching TV when he felt tightness in his chest. Then came the nausea, the sweating. He was alone. But he remembered what he saw in a video, just like this one. He chewed aspirin, called 911, and unlocked his front door. He sat on the floor, breathing deeply, whispering to himself, "Hold on, Arthur, just a little longer." EMTs found him conscious. Doctors told him he was minutes away from death. Today, he's alive, gardening, walking his dog, and hugging his grandchildren. Because he acted fast. Because he knew what to do. You now know what most people don't. You've learned the 7 steps that could one day save your life or someone else's. Don't keep this to yourself. Send this video to your parents, your partner, your neighbors. Post it in WhatsApp groups. Share it in Facebook health communities, because someone, somewhere, will face this moment alone. And your share might keep their heart beating. Tap subscribe if you want more videos that matter. Hit the bell so you never miss a life-saving lesson. And comment below, "I'm prepared." Let's build a community of survivors, a movement of knowledge and life. You're not alone. You're stronger than you think. Stay safe. Stay alive. This is your health. This is your power. Knowledge is your best medicine. Darling, please subscribe.